How do you use the field configuration window in TimeTonic? Managing the configuration options for your fields from the field organization section lets you interact in one place with all the elements that make up your table. Let's take a closer look at this. In sheets that have a lot of columns, I sometimes need to do some searches. I can use a keyword search here. For instance, you can specifically use a search by column type, view the fields selected as unique keys or all fields, or mainly see the fields that have been marked as required. Additionally, in this first column, you'll find all your fields in the display order of your table, along with icons indicating the type of field. The group by column lets you create groups or group fields through this section to organize your sheets. You have the ability to move your fields directly in the configuration window to allow you to set the position of a group. The sheet, which is defined by the order of the fields in the table, more clearly, the position of the first column assigned to the group defines the position of the group in the sheet. In the sync codes column, manage the sync codes for your fields when setting up Excel automation. From the field organization environment, you can click on editing the options for your column, and so set it up according to your needs. This option lets you jump directly to the column in the tables. Field codes will be useful for creating document templates in Word or Excel. The field ID will help you identify the fields for APIs and set up automation workflows if needed. The required or mandatory field helps ensure the reliability of data entry in your sheet's validation and allows you to set unique keys to avoid duplicates in your data. You will now know how to use all the options in the field configuration window to make the most of it and optimize your work.